West Coast Solar specializes in more than just solar panel design and installation. We can help you automate your entire home so it's completely connected. But what is a connected home exactly? Well, check this out. As the saying goes, there's no place like home, especially a connected home. By automating your home using sophisticated computer technology, you can link everything from devices, appliances, and so much more, allowing you to have control of your home systems from your smartphone, tablet, or even your computer. Now let's explore the benefits of smart home technology systems for you. Installing smart locks and remote monitoring provides optimal security, convenience, and peace of mind. When linked through home automation, you can lock your doors at the touch of a button, arm your security system, and view suspicious activity in real time to stay ahead of it. Linking your emergency systems like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to a smart technology system helps protect your family from dangerous, unexpected situations. You and emergency responders will immediately be alerted when unusual activity is detected. Being able to program thermostats, lights, and more reduces energy consumption and improves comfort. Rather than having to run the heat and air all day long, you can control temperatures from your smartphone so it's nice and cozy when you get home. Because you're only using your home systems and appliances when you actually need them, you'll also notice a major immediate savings on your utility bill. No more wasted unused energy, no more spending money on energy that you're not actually using. It's a big win for you and for everything else. If you're ready to upgrade your home with smart technology, we can help you out. Connect with West Coast Solar to schedule a free consultation for home automation upgrades. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.